And today I have some mending to do. This dress is a dream. It's beautiful. It's not mine. It screams summer on every little inch, and the problem is that the skirt is uneven. It has a beautiful drape, it has a lovely neckline with all these details, and the back is crossed and tied at the middle of the back. So let's see what we can do to it. As I was telling you, the problem with the dress is that it's longer on the sides. At first I thought that it was because they tried to make like a circle, circle skirt or an A-line skirt, and left the sides longer because they didn't do the curve on the sides. But it's not even as long. It's even longer because the front is 92 centimeters long and the sides are 104. So it's massive, it's a massive difference. I guess this is nice if you're a tall person, because this will be ankle length and then you have all this movement on the sides. But my friend isn't as tall as that, so she wants me to make it all even, and that's going to be easy enough. I'm all about mending. At the end of the day, it's something you bought because you loved it, and it's a pity that stays in the wardrobe because you can't really wear it. Of course, when you go to a shop and you see something, you try it on and you think, in this case for example, maybe at home with these shoes I can wear it, but then maybe you don't get to use it as much, or the heels you were going to wear don't really suit them. I don't know. There's 1,000 different reasons why we don't wear stuff, and it's a pity to leave this behind just because the skirt is a bit uneven, which is a really easy mending to do. The first step is going to be to get rid of part of the hemline, the one on the front, so when I cut I don't get rid of part of the dress. And the second bit is going to be press it so I can cut without any problems. There's such a difference. I have the one of the sides here, and I have the front and the back together, and the back panel is 10 centimeters longer than the front, and then from the side, if I fold to see, just to eyeball how long it is or how much longer it is, it's massive, a massive difference. 14 centimeters, which is what I had said, yes, 104 it was. Well, that's just amazing. So I'm going to take the front measurement, which is the one she said it's perfect for her, and then start measuring all around it to get the same. These cottons are really nice to work with and they don't give you any trouble. So I'm going to just fold twice to make a double hem, only half a centimeter wide. And you can do it if you don't feel comfortable just doing it. You can press it first to make it really, to mark it, so it's easier. But as I say, this is really easy to do and you can even mark it with your nail. But I'm just going to stitch it and that's it. If you're going to eyeball a hemline, you can take a reference, for example, the foot press. If you want to do it just as it is, just folding and going on with your sewing, you can just take a look at the width of the foot press and just do the same as it was, because the one I cut was the same. And as well, you can have a look at the lines on the machine, because that way you'll do the same width all the time. And of course, let's press it a little bit, although it's going to travel in a bag, but anyways. And after a bit of pressing, this is the final result. It was blue, wasn't it? It's a joke. It's two dresses the same, they are just the same, and they needed the same mending. So I did the same. I just measured and cut and hemmed all around it, but I wasn't going to show you the same mending again. But the only thing is that this one was shorter. The front of the blue one was 92 centimeters, as we said, and this one was only 86. So it's going to be a bit more of an ankle length, but it's going to be as nice because they are really nice dresses. So this is how we're saying goodbye today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought, if this has been useful, and don't forget to have a look in your wardrobe, because I'm sure we all have things we don't wear, things that don't fit properly, and we have a wardrobe full of stuff that doesn't really work. So let me know down in the comments what you thought, if you have to do something similar, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, because I upload twice a week and that way you don't miss anything. And I leave you here a list to all the mending things I've done, to jeans, dresses, skirts, blouses, loads of different things that can be useful. So stick around for a while. Bye! Hola, hola, hola.